Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back. And in this section that says learn, let's build a personal slash resume website with WordPress. We will be building a website like this. You can see that we have our logo, and if I just bring my mouse here, you can see that it says this. So you can see this is a personal slash resume website. We can see we have the number, we have the email address here, and we have some social links that's going to take us to our social profiles. The person can click the About Me button or just click Hire Me button. And we have two buttons right here. We have the name, and then we have this. So if I just bring my mouse here to the picture, you can see this picture has an animation effect. If I just click About Me, it's going to take me down page. And here you can see this is the animation that is loading. We have this great effect right here. And then we have this What I Can Do. We have some hover effects here as well. And then we have the Follow Me On as well. So you can see we have these social links as well. We go down and it says Need a Professional Developer, and it says the Hire Me. And then we have this Copyright and Website Made with Love. And we have terms and conditions and privacy policy links. So if I just click here, you can see a pop-up comes and it says Hire Me. Please fill this form for hiring Tanzila Rahman. And we have this one right here. The person can enter his name, his email address, his business name, and the service he wants. So you can just like web design, SEO, or graphic design, and then he's gonna send a message. So then he will just click this, and you can see his message will be sent to us by email. On the email address that we have, the admin email. So you can see even this Hire Me works the same. Okay, you can see this website is also the mobile optimized. So if I just change my width, you can see this is also changing. So this is totally mobile optimized. And if someone is on a mobile device, okay, so if I am on the mobile device, then you can see that if I just click here, instead of the pop-up that is opening, it redirects me to the Hire Me page. Okay, so this is also done in this first project that we're going to be building in this section number 3, or the learn, let's build a personal slash resume website with WordPress. So I hope that you will like this website, and let's get started, guys.